a 35-foot-tall T-Rex.
Good morning.
And the eighth wonder of the world, King Kong.
Hi. Hey. We're back at Universal. Woo! Stay ready to get their go-go dancing on. LOL. Let's see if there's anything in the store. It's not. There's some lights up, but that's about it so far. Oh, nice sponge. Nothing really exciting. Well, we have everything out in the open. Those are for the lines. And this is the purge right here. Oh, it's so cool. So it starts out here? Very confused. It looks nice. I like it. Oh, this is very nice. Well, that's interesting. I guess it starts there? Well, that is nice. It's just out here in the open. Oh, and there it is again. Oh. Okay, gotta go. Ooh, looking great. We are going to the studio tour to see the construction down there. Ooh, a delicious 10 minutes.
Now, as Carson Daly mentioned, Soundstage 12 is the largest soundstage we have in our lot, the rest. Now, right now you're seeing up behind, looks like it has scaffolding on the back of it. This is actually the back side of a wall that is used for production. Typically, there are 3 levels of production. You have your pre-production, so that's right now, a lot of what you're seeing is preparation for Halloween Horror Nights, which opens later on this month. Here on the right-hand side, this block is known as London Square. So in addition to portraying London, this area of our back lot has been used to portray India for episodes of the Mindy Project. On the other side of London Square is New York Street, which is that they're the same height as the buildings you. Even the tram you're sitting on has been seen in movies and TV shows.
Oh,
just keep a safe distance.
I was living for that.
Any further immediately. We'll handle it from there.
Alright, we'll be sure to keep our eyes peeled. Tell, which we know from the movie Psycho.
Oh yes, I'm living.
If anyone feels like they need a shower, this is not the place to do it. These are 2 of the oldest sets still standing in Hollywood. We have the Bates Motel here on the right, and at the top of the hill we have the home to Norman Bates.
This is so nice. Oh my gosh.
To set up for Halloween Horror Nights, which opens later on this month, right here at Universal Studios. And now here, and we have an untrustworthy fellow right here. Don't make eye contact with him, please, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no, no, please spare us. Oh no. Spielberg's War of the Worlds. We're going to stop here for just a brief moment. If everyone could please remain on the tram and remain seated, feel free to take as many pictures as you like. If you don't get homeowners insurance. And any fans of Nicki Minaj on the tram? Well, she filmed her music video, Fly, featuring Rihanna, right here in this area of our backlot. When you have a chance, watch that music video and you'll see this area of our backlot. Of course, Steven Spielberg used over 500 special effects for the movie.
Oh my god, it's my oh. Donuts.
No, yes. Well, it's like covered up. But there's the front.
me a little sick monster. Hashtag ass. Oh, look at that. Wow, those clouds are good. You better screenshot this.
Well, I don't know what that's for over there, but perhaps something? I don't know. This screen.
No.
Let's move. Hashtag ad? Ooh, yeah. Here we go for second round to get more freaking shots. Some better ones this time, hopefully.
Now we've made our way further onto our front lawn. To your left are more sound stages. A lot of cool stuff is shot here inside of our sound stages. See, headed towards our Metro sets, our Metropolitan city sets. We're going to go on the other side of this wall in these Halloween Horror Nights mazes. You'll get a better view on the other side. So for now, here's a little bit more on that Hitchcock bungalow we passed back there.
I loved working with him. I highly respect him. He really understood fear and terror.
Birds? That was a really scary movie.
Birds? Oh, man. That had me looking at crows like for the next 10 years.
Hitchcock later on in the tour. For now, we are entering our Metro sets. As you look down the streets that are coming up on your right, you're going to see some Halloween Horror Night stuff. But beyond that, you're looking at what we call New York City. And I think my co-host Jimmy Fallon knows a little.
An old woman. Tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. Hey, I'm walking here. Hey, it's cool, guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movie, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Even if you make it here on the Universal lot.
Shows like NCIS, How I Met Your Mother, Comedy Central's Key and Peele, American Ninja Warrior, Colony, The Mindy Project, and Hairspray Live have filmed out here in our Metro sets. Also,
about 8 or 9 years old and presents where the screen is 10 meters away.
And a sweet lovely bitch. Call it
everybody get your 3D glasses ready. Over at Weta Digital. The filmmakers at Weta have won 6 Academy. Here on the back lot. On the back lot, they live next door to a Psycho. There we go. This is the Bates Motel. It's also surrounded in some Halloween Horror Night stuff. At the top of the hill, it's the Psycho House. I think we should go visit. He's waiting for us. Oh, it doesn't look very happy. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh, sorry. We're going. Maybe don't make eye contact with him and everything will be fine. Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong. No. Whoa. Okay, we survived.
Crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen has. When you first get to sit down to talk, that's something you don't see.
You're doing good.
Close your eyes.
Close. Robbie, get in. Get in.
That's why I'm the street. If you guys look back into your right across the street, you're going to see a humongous blue wall. That's the world's largest freestanding green screen or blue screen. There's a really big pit in front.
Well, it's been fun, Universal. We'll see you on Friday. Ain't that right? Friday.
Oh, yes.
Friday.